So hi everyone. Today we'll try to understand what are autoencoders and like how they can be used for multiple perspective for generative modeling. So basically, an autoencoder consists of two major parts. One is an encoder, and other is a decoder. So encoder is nothing but it takes an input, high dimensional input, and it tries to convert that high dimensional input into a lower dimensional representation, or it can be called as the embedding. So if you give it a 1 cross n or n cross an input, then it may map this input into a 1 cross m output, where m is very small than n. So like in case of images, you must have seen that key when you're applying some CNN. So basically, there comes a point where you flatten the input and then we apply dense layers. So the dense layers are trying to uh, lower the representation of the image. So encoder can be taken as that part where we are taking the input, the image as an input, and trying to lower the dimension for that input, representing that input in a lower dimensional vector. Now what does a decoder do? So the decoder, what does it do? Using that lower representation that the encoder has produced, as you can see in the image, it tries to regenerate the input. So we take an image X or some input X, we feed it into the encoder, which generates a compressed data representation of X, and eventually using this compressed representation as an input, the decoder again tries to reach to the exact out input that has been taken. So X gives you a Y, then this Y gives you an X again.